I'm going.
That was a satisfying slice, huh?
Oh, water up my butt.
Give me some of it. No, Ian. Oh, there's chlorine, dogs. No. Grace, this because I have to do it everywhere.
Because I control water, right? I barely control my kids. I want to control water.
Don't drink it. It's going to make you sick. You're going to make the dog stop drinking it.
What's that?
Okay, great, babe. There's electrical sockets over there. They're plugged in, Chris.
What's plugged in? Nothing. I unplugged
Mom
everything.
is plugged in.
No, it's not.
So
I unplugged everything.
the electrical sockets are going to happen.
How is the electrical socket going to work?
It is, but you don't care. It's not connected to this. Come on, fool. Somebody get some